This is the main page of the EasyCoins. If I have to do future trading, I will come directly to this option. A page will appear on which there will be an option of favorites on the left side that includes all the favorite pairs I have selected. Here is also an option of USDT that includes all the pairs that can be traded with USDT in future trading. Some concepts are based on which trading is done. Firstly, here is an option of the cross and isolated on the upper right side. There is a significant difference between cross and isolated. Let's explain that difference through an example. Let's suppose I have a total of 16.9 USDT and I choose to work 25% for a trade, and in that trade 4.60 USDT will be used. If I am doing this trading in the cross and these 4.60 USDT go in lost, the remaining 12 USDT will also be counted in loss, and my trade will not close unless my 16 USDT goes in loss, and if I go in loss of 16 USDT, my account will be liquidated. But if I am doing this trading in isolated and like crossed, I choose to work 25% per trade with 16.9 USDT. I trade on the remaining 4 USDT and go and lose on that 4 USDT. My trade will be closed automatically, and my remaining 12 USDT will remain safe until I trade on those 12 USDT again. That's why isolated is preferred for trading. After that, we will have the option of Ethereum, the pair of the coin in which we have been trading. Then we have an option of leverage. You all might be thinking, what is leverage? So basically, if we have 16 USDT and we have to trade on its 25%, which will be 4 USDT. Ignore the digits after a point to pick a clear concept of how it works. We have taken 4 USDT. And we have selected the leverage of 10%. This 10 will be multiplied by the USDT with which we have been trading, so 10 to 4 will become 40. So basically, it will be the trade of 40 USDT and not the 4 USDT. Of that 40 USDT, 4 USDT will be mine, and the 36 USDT I have borrowed from the EasyCoin exchange in case I go in loss. If I am at a loss of 3 USDT, nothing will happen. But if I go in the loss of 4 USDT and I am in crossed, then I will survive. But if I am doing isolated trading, my trade will automatically be closed here. And the 36 USDT I have borrowed from the exchange will be automatically returned to them, and my trade will close in the loss. Now we have 3 options: limit, plan, and strategy. In the limit, we have further 2 options. First, we will trade according to the market's current price, and the second is the limit trading, in which you select your own price. Let's suppose there is very fluctuation in the market prices, and the current price in the market is 1,520.464 USDT, but we want to trade on 1,530 USDT, and when the market price rises to 1,530 USDT, we will long it or short it accordingly. In the trading world, long means to buy and short means to sell. We can do this directly by imposing the limit, and we can also do this by staying at the market price. For this, we will go on this market option, and another option of open a position will pop up, and our position will open up on the market price. Now we will select how much USDT from the available USDT we have to work. Either it's 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. From here, I have selected 25%, and now I will have the 25% of my available USDT, and now I will open long trade on it. And I will get a message of successful that means my long trade is applied now. When I scroll down, it will show that my trade for a long has been opened. Here, I have various options. Here is an option of estimated liquidation price, which means at what point my account will be liquidated. Here is also the risk ratio. There is not much balance in the account right now. That's why the risk ratio is also higher. Here is the option that shows the profit or loss. If it is in red, it means I am in loss, and if it's green, I am in profit. Currently, I am at a loss of 0.4%. Here is the option which tells which trade I am doing. So I am doing cross-long trade with the Ethereum pair having 10x leverage. If I want to close this trade, I will go on the option of all close, and here I got the message that my closing operation is successful. If I want to see my history, I will go in this option of order history that which trades I have done in the past. Now let's do this for a short trade. Same as long I have selected 25% and received a message that my short trade is applied successfully. Now let's check if the short trade is applied. Let's go on the positions. Here is the option of cross short with Ethereum pairs having 10-time leverage, and here are the options of entry price, estimated liquidation price, and risk ratio. And here I'm at a profit of 0.05%. Let's close this as well for the time being. And this is how you can do future trading on EasyCoins.